Hey kids, I'm so excited you're joining me today. Our elf friend has moved again. Can you spot where he's hiding today? And look, another magical note. After helping Rudolph last time, I wonder what special mission do we have today? Should we open the note together? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Kids, we're in one of Santa's workshops. Let's read the letter. Christmas time is getting near with more kind children than last year. That's great. The elves need help, they're in a bind. More presents they must quickly find. Draw special gifts with love and care to show others how much you share. When each gift gets its special tag, magic flows into Santa's bag. Your elf friend, Snowflake. Kids, our elf has a name, Snowflake. The elves need our help creating more gifts, but not just any gifts. Ones that would make others happy. Who would you like to draw a gift for? Let's close our eyes and think about what gift would bring a smile to someone else's face. Got it? Great. Let's grab our drawing supplies and get started. And remember, every time we add a gift tag, we'll hear a magical sound, and that lets us know the magic is here and it's working. Boy, I'm really lucky you're joining me today. I don't know what I would do without your help. We need a lot of gifts to help all these nice children this year. Let's start by drawing some simple shapes for our gifts. So let's start by drawing a rectangle. We're going to draw a line down, just like that. And I want you to take your time drawing your line and draw it as straight as you possibly can. And now we're going to draw another line over, like so, and then down. Boy, I wonder what magical gift is going to be inside of this. It's going to be something really great for someone, and it's definitely going to put a smile on their face. We can draw a line just like that. And let's put a bow on top of this, and we can draw a bow by drawing 2 teardrop shaped drops like this. Perfect. And now the letter said to draw a tag. I guess that's where the person's name goes. Well, let's try drawing a tag. We're going to draw a line up like that and over. And we're going to draw, it's going to be another rectangle. Up. Lots of straight lines here. And now we just need to connect the lines, and this will complete our tag. Wow, that's cool. Did you see that? Kids, the magic is working. We have to draw more gifts. Let's draw a square gift right next to it. A square has 4 sides. And what's special about a square is that all sides are the same length. So we're going to try to draw all of our sides the same length. We're going to put more ribbon on this box. Let's put another bow on this. Let's close our eyes for a minute. What do you think is in this? Let's make a wish for what we want this gift to be for someone else special to us. Oh, I know what I want it to be. Great. Now, let's add the magic tag on there. I wonder if the magic will happen again. This is exciting. Okay, I'm gonna wait until you're with me. Do you have all these 3 lines? We're gonna draw the last line together. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that is so cool. This is amazing. I wish all my drawings could have this type of magic. Let's draw another one. Let's draw a cylinder. What shape is a cylinder? I'll show you. We're going to start by drawing an oval like this. Can you draw that shape? It's like a really flat egg. Next, we're going to draw a line all the way down like that. And we're going to do the same on this side. And last, we could draw a straight line, or I'm going to draw a line that has a little bend to it, like a smile line. And this is a cylinder. And let's draw some diagonal wrapping paper here, like this. Boy, what could be inside of this one? This is an interesting shape. What gift do you think would fit inside of this box? And last line. Okay, and let's draw a bow on this side. One more thing. You know what we need to do. One line, and then another. Okay, let's draw the last line together for this tag. Ready? Oh man, that is so cool. Does your gift have magic too? I can hear it coming from your paper. Oh, this is so neat, kids. We're creating magic together with our imagination. And we're thinking about doing something nice for somebody else. And that is very special to do. Let's draw one more gift. How many gifts do we have right now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And if we do another, how many would that make it? That's right, 4. We're going to make 4 gifts in total. What shape should we draw next? We have a rectangle, a square, a cylinder or a tube, a circle. We haven't done a circle yet. Let's draw a circle. We're going to draw this one right here. And these are magic gifts, so that means we can make it floating. So let's draw a circle like this. And what could be inside of a circle gift? I don't know. I'd have to think about that. We're going to draw a line down the middle. And you see how I made my line bend? That makes it look like it's a circle coming this way. And we're going to do the same. I'm going to bend my line this way. Isn't that kind of neat? And now, a ribbon. Boy, you're becoming a professional gift maker. Maybe one of the elves can hire you to make gifts at the North Pole. Okay, let's add one last magical tag. And our tag, what shape are these tags? Do you know the shape? It's the same shape as our first gift. A rectangle. Very good. Draw a line. Okay. I'm gonna wait for you until you're ready to draw this last line together. We have to do the magic together. Okay, ready? Oh, that is so cool. That never gets old, does it? That's really neat. Look at the wonderful gifts that you've created today using your imagination and some magic. Whoever gets your gifts will be so happy. And we know they have magic because they sparkle just like Snowflake said. It got very cold all of a sudden. Do you feel that? It feels like a winter breeze inside of my drawing space. Could it be the North Pole? Could the gift magic have connected us to the North Pole? Kids, I think something's happening in the North Pole and it's trying to let us know. Hold on to your drawing supplies close. I think we need to solve another mystery in the next drawing adventure. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.